I'm a freak, wicked lady.
Okay, so we're drop D tuning, and we're just going from C power chord to D power chord. Those are in the A and the D strings. Up to an F. Then you stay in F and you go from F to G. And then back to. So that's just F, C, and this is G. Since we're drop D tuning, a G looks like this. 3 low strings all in the 5th fret. Then we did 21st Century Schizoid Man, and that's... So we're starting on a C note, A sharp, back to C, and then D sharp, F, G. Then power chords, F, F sharp, and G. Repeat. Slide all the way up to the 18th fret there. And then there's also unison bends for the climb. That's E at the 13th and the B at the 16th. Use 2 fingers on the B string, 2nd and 3rd. Hit them at the same time and bend until the B is the same note as the high E string. And then the verse is this chord. That's the A string and the G string at the 3rd fret and the B string at the 4th. Everything else should be muted out. And that's a G. And then you're into back to the riff. Then we're into this part. So, that's the A string at the 3rd fret, and it's important that you go down, up, down with the pick. And then one more downstroke to do this climb, and those are all downstrokes. A at the 3rd, D at the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So it's down, up, down, 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 down. And then the second half is, so that's A at the 3rd, at the 2nd, 1st, and low E at the 3rd. That's a G, that's an F sharp on the D string, 4th fret, hammer on the 5th fret D string, and hit the G at the 3rd fret, back to D at the 5th, G at the 3rd, 4th. Now this is important, go to the 5th fret G with your 2nd finger, and then start over. So I'm grabbing the B at the 4th, 5th, and 6th with my first 3 fingers. So that's... That's G at the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and then D at the 5th. So we have... Seven to 8 on the B string and high E at the 6th. That's where we'll conclude our lesson for today.